All right, so we're here at 1534 Irving Avenue here in Glendale. We're running our camera from a 4-inch cleaner located underneath the house, and right now we're all the way out to the city connection in the middle of the street. There's the city sewer flowing by right there. So we're going to pull our camera back real slow. We do have some roots at the end of the line, a little bit cracked and a little bit slightly broken over here where the roots getting through. Coming back, we do have some roots. This is a 6-inch clay lateral coming back from the middle of the street. Minor little roots coming through the joints over here. Now, right over here at the curb, we have the 6-inch clay pipe meeting up with a 4-inch cast iron pipe. This is very typical of Glendale, that they would run a 4-inch cast iron pipe in public works area underneath the sidewalk, underneath the parkway, and they meet the 6-inch clay pipe at the curb. Now this over here is really broken over here. If you pull the camera back a little bit, you can see that the break is on the bottom of the pipe here. You see that break over there, pretty much at like 2 o'clock. You can see we're a little bit upside down right now. You see where the water's trickling through, maybe at 12:30. That's really the bottom of the pipe where the water's trickling right now.
Yes.
That's the bottom. So you see that's a little bit broken now. We don't feel good about hydrojetting this line, and I'll tell you why. Because going forward won't be a problem. But when you pull that nozzle back, it's like a big ball on the end of the nozzle, which is a root cutting nozzle. That's very possible that that could get jammed up in that hole. And that would make it impossible for us to pull our hydrojetter out. We just don't want to take a chance by doing that. There's a very strong possibility that can happen, and that's a very expensive nozzle. We don't want to lose it. Unfortunately, this pipe over here, coming back, it's a 4-inch cast iron. You're going to get some roots coming in right about here. This is right underneath the tree that's in the parkway, right directly underneath that tree. The sewer line is 7 feet deep over there. Then coming back, we're coming under the parkway, underneath the sidewalk, very typical of Glendale. We're probably into the property now. Now remember, we're looking at a cast iron pipe. We're looking at the inside of the pipe here. This all actually looks pretty good. Very, very minor rust buildup. Obviously the pipe is old. We cannot see the outside of the pipe, but it doesn't look bad from the inside. And unfortunately, it runs right underneath that tree, which has probably caused this pipe to break. And that's in city property. It's a city tree inside city property. Coming back from there, you can see the cast iron doesn't look bad at all from the inside. Okay, it comes into some ABS plastic over here. This is underneath the house. This is obviously in good condition. Comes out here, the clean out here, underneath the house. And we'll go ahead and stop the recording over here.